Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mariyea. I like to do planning videos, mostly Erin Condren, some Etsy hauls, and just everything planning. So if you're into that sort of thing, stick around, hit the subscribe button down below. It would mean the world to me. If you're a returning viewer or subscriber and you haven't hit the subscribe button, what are you waiting for? I have a lot of videos planned, and if you don't want to miss them, hit the bell notification down below so that you can be notified when I do post. So yeah, let's get into it. We got an Erin Condren haul. Okay, so the thing about today's video, it is an Erin Condren haul, but it's mostly stickers. I went into this order just for their sticker kits. I got a few other things, but majorly, the main thing I wanted to get is their sticker kits. I love them, and I think they're going to be very useful in my life planner. And I grabbed a few of them because why not? I had the 20% off for the rose gold members, and then I had an additional 20% off for one of the codes I got when I purchased my life planner. So yeah, let's just get into it. The first things you're seeing are actually from Amazon. I found these browsing Amazon, and I thought I'd throw them in here because they're Erin Condren, and why not? They're a really good deal. They are still on sale for $11.99. So I'll link those down below. I think it's an amazing deal. These sticker books, if they were in store, because I know they're past editions, so they're no longer in store, but they are on their Amazon. And if these were in store, they'd be $15.50, and on Amazon right now you can get them for $11.99. So I bought both of them as soon as I seen that. This one is the designer sticker book classic classic collection edition 4. And let's open it up and look at the stickers. I love Erin Condren stickers. These are some quote boxes and flags. I love their foiling. It's just so pretty. I love these flags too, and like these colors are so pretty. So this looks like it's the gold foil. These are going to be so useful, and this is mainly what I bought these for. Like, I love these functional stickers. And then we have the silver and some more flags. Look at all these flags. And then the washi strips. Love their washi strips. This is rose gold foiling. And then the gold foiling with more washi strips. And this is actually one of my favorite Erin Condren patterns. The woven, I think it's the Woven Wonders. I love that. I actually have a planning pack in that. I love like these little boxes. They're so functional, and I just feel like I can get so much use out of them. And then some of these little asterisk, like dots, point dots, I don't know. I love these stickers, and for $11.99 you can't beat it. And then this is actually a clear sticker sheet. I love their little asterisks. Again, just these boxes, a lot of checklists, which will definitely come in handy. And then another clear sticker sheet with some flags at the bottom and at the top. Some corner triangle flag things, more asterisks. Wow, there's a lot more stickers in these than I thought. And then this is another clear sticker sheet with just a whole bunch of quotes, which is super cute. And then a whole bunch of asterisks at the bottom. And I believe, yeah, that's the end. So yeah, $11.99 for that is a very good deal. And then next, this is the designer sticker book, Classic Collection Edition 3. And I've had my eye on this one for a while, and then when it just went on sale, I just decided to get it. It says, turn your dreams into plans. And the painted petals is another one of my favorite designs from Erin Condren. And look at these colors. Oh my gosh. And these flags, like I said before, are just amazing. More checklists. The painted petals has my heart for sure. Like, I just think it's so pretty. These little boxes I like a lot too. You'll see in here I got a pack of their functional sticker flags, and they have a whole bunch of these in them too. Like, I just think I'm going to use these a lot. I love these purples and blues. One of my favorite colors is like a super light blue, but I love when purple and blue are matched together too. Now these, I don't know if I'll get much use out of them. I don't really care for gift tags, but I mean, they're cute. This is gorgeous. It's like a little flag. I like that. I love these. And more flags. Just everything on this page is so pretty. And more. Some washi and those little point dots. And more little flags. Like, I love everything on this page. And this one. And I like how they have the same pages, some of the same pages, just in like different color scapes. Very functional. I'm not the biggest fan of like little icons like this, but I have them if I ever decide to use them. So yeah, those were the two things I got from Amazon. Great deal in my opinion, and I would buy them again. Alright, so now getting into what I actually bought from Erin Condren. I did want to get the gratitude journal, and I wanted to get the new one that they had, but they were actually out of stock, and I decided to just get this one because I wanted the gratitude journal, and this was the only one they had, so you can flip through it a little bit. So this is the opening page. And then I just like this because I like a guided journal, and I like that there's just, you know, a little snippet that you can write every day. You have a free one that you can do, so you don't have like a little guided journal. You can just write what you want. And from my understanding, it just continues like that. Oh, and then you have a 30-day reflection. Really cool. And then it just goes right back into it. So yeah, I just really wanted to implement this into my routines and see if I can find a change. I really want to focus on the good things in my life, and I feel like this book will really help me do that. And then at the end, you always have the sticker sheet. It's really pretty. I love the purple foiling. So yeah, I'll pick that up. And then I'll do the stickers after, just because that was like the main thing that I was buying for this order. I have been wanting to pick these gel pens up for a while, and I just couldn't make the plunge because I'm like, I don't generally like gel pens like this, but I've been seeing everyone talking about them and how they write really good. I think we should test them out. I'm hoping that they write really good. Just test a few out. We don't have to test them all out. Yeah. Okay, guys. That writes so smooth. I love these. That just glided on the paper. I'm definitely intrigued, and I'm very happy that I made the purchase. Yeah, these are definitely going to be a quick favorite. So I might have to buy more of these if I run out. I don't know how quick they'll run out, but yeah, I'm very happy that I bought these. Moving on. So I needed a, if you know, you know, but I need a glitter sleeve for all of my journals. And so when I purchased this, I knew I had to get one more of these. And I actually was already going to buy one because I needed one more so that I could have one for each of my journals. And now I do. I'm done buying these. I have so many of these, but they were a good deal. And yeah, not much to say about these. So I got 2 more of those, my last 2. And then the last thing in here besides my stickers, I don't know if it can fit in frame, but I got the painted Petals cover for my notebook. I was actually sent a huge notebook by mistake in one of my orders, and they just told me to keep it, and it was personalized, so I didn't want to show it in my haul, but I decided to get a cover for it so that way it can be personalized for me. I don't know if you can see it, but it says Mariyea Monay. And yeah, not much to say about it, but I love this cover. Painted Petals, like I said before, is one of my favorite themes that Erin Condren has, and I was very excited to get this. So yeah, super pretty. And now I'm going to move this box out of the way so we can go through the stickers that I purchased. Okay, so first up I got the metallic Hexagon sticker pack. I'm not going to be taking these out of the pack because I do have a organizing my stickers and sticker collection haul coming up, and I just want to keep these in here, and you can see them over there, but they're pretty much the same thing. They just have 3 different sheets and 3 different foils, and yeah, not much to say about them. I just thought they'd be super functional. I know the kaleidoscope was last year, but I feel like I can still use them, and they're super cute. So this is what I was talking about with those little boxes. I got 2 packs of these actually because I knew I would just love them. They just have so many cute things that I feel like are going to be super functional for me. And yeah, you'll see these in my sticker organizing video that I have coming up. So yeah, I got 2 packs of those. And then the main reason for this whole order, I went a little crazy, guys. I got so many of these sheets. I love these. Yeah, so I might butcher these names. This is Painted Rainbows, I believe. Super cute. I love it. I feel like it'd be perfect for the summertime. So I picked one of those up. I got the sketched hearts. So pretty. When I seen this come out, I knew I had to have it. Just to use around Valentine's Day. I love it. It's super pretty. All the different colors. This is another one that came out with the Valentine's Day collection. I don't believe I know. It's something about roses. I will leave all the names to these linked down below and everything I bought. So yeah. And then if I have like a certain color that I switched, I'll write that down below too. Because I know some of these I personalized. This one I personalized. This background used to be cherry blossom and I chose linen. I just thought it was more crisp and clean, and I think it turned out beautiful. This one is the watercolors something or other. Super pretty. I didn't change this one. I just liked how it came. This one, I changed the colors around. Not really sure. I know I chose linen, but I'm not sure if it was already linen. And I know I chose lilac. Another pretty one just for the summer and springtime. This next one, I chose all the colors. I switched them up, and I loved the way this turned out. This is so pretty. Like a pastel-y, perfect for spring or summer. And I love it. Like, this is really pretty. I know this color is Monaco, and this is cherry blossom, and I believe linen. But yeah, it just looks super pretty. This one, the hexagons, I don't think I changed, but I might have changed this color. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on it. I will put it down below. But super pretty. This one has definitely had my eye. I love the way it looks. This one, I believe, is the Playful Paisley. I don't remember, but I will link it down below. And I don't believe I changed anything. This one is a tie-dye, perfect for summer. I did not change anything. So yeah, not much to say about that. This one, the painted petals, yet again, I just love it. It's just me and an Erin Condren print. This one was part of the Showcasing Black Artists, and I just really liked it. I love abstract art like this, and I just think it's so pretty. This one was another kind of like tie-dye that I liked for summertime. I love purples and blues, like I said before. Okay, getting to the end here, this is another like tie-dye watercolor print. Just a little more colorful than the last one. Perfect for summer. I love this one. I believe I changed the colors on this. I just think it's gorgeous. Perfect for summer. Lemon theme. I think it's pretty. And then my last one was another Showcasing Black Artists. And this was like the tropical birds. And I did change the background color. And I think it turned out pretty. I love this. Perfect for summer, again, with like the tropical birds. So yeah, that was my Erin Condren order. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed. I have a lot more content coming. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.